Prepare for the inevitable. That's how I think araw-araw. So, I wake up in the morning. I so, whether outside ako ng isa o dalawa, internet ako, okay na sa akin. I don't know where I'm going. But I have to do it in the computer. Yes, I'm prepared every time. I'm prepared now. I
Pero malamig. Abi! Abi!